humid as balls.
Yeah, the air is thick. Humid as balls.
Humid as balls.
As balls.
It's 82% humidity. It is a really bad hair day. And it's a bad makeup day. It's a bad day to just be in Florida. My eyelids are sweating.
Uh-oh, low flow shower heads. I don't like the sound of that.
It looks like we have low flow shower heads right now.
Yeah. So it looks like. Well, they're not your grandfather's mimosas.
What's that?
They're not your grandfather's mimosas.
No.
But that's suffice.
Nothing's finer than eating at the Metro Diner. Actually, that's definitely not true. There's a lot of things finer than eating at the Metro Diner. My chicken biscuit was awful.
Yeah, your chicken biscuit was awful.
It was inedible to me. I couldn't even eat it. You had to eat it.
Yeah, I ate it, and I thought it was pretty awful too.
I liked your breakfast pie, but for me, peppers and eggs, after a few bites, I'm kind of over it.
Yeah, it's not your thing. It's more my thing. But I thought it needed more salt. It just didn't have a lot of flavor.
Yeah, it was a little bland. The service was very, very friendly.
Yeah,
Happy with the service, but I am not satisfied. And if this were not a desperation, everything is closed because of a hurricane in 48 hours, we would not have come here.
Yeah, that's true.
And will we be back? I doubt it. Because if that chicken biscuit represents what their chicken and waffles taste like, and that chicken and waffles is like $15, you can forget that.
Yeah, I think I'll be steering clear of any chicken from there.
Yeah, it had that processed chicken taste. It was a chicken tender, but it had a processed chicken taste.
I just thought that whatever the honey glaze sauce they used, it just funked up the whole thing. It just didn't work.
It did funk up the whole thing, I'll tell you that.
Yeah.
Funked up is the word.
This honey stuff that they're doing, I mean, if they're just not going to do it right, they shouldn't even bother. Just make it a regular chicken biscuit. I would have rather it been a really crispy chicken biscuit than have honey drenched all over it and be the soggy honey taste bad thing.
Aside from the honey, it was just that piece of chicken to me that was gross. It was like it was weird. I didn't, ugh.
To me, it just.
And I'm not picky. I can eat anything.
Yeah, to me, I don't know. To me, it seemed like it was that honey glaze sauce that they put on it that ruined it. I didn't think the chicken was inferior quality, but I don't know. It's hard to tell for me.
Yeah, ugh. But yeah, doubt we'll be back unless it's another hurricane desperation thing. But the servers were really, really nice.
I'll say this: the prices are reasonable.
What? I didn't
for a
find
lot
the
of
prices
things
reasonable at all. I thought they were way too expensive.
Well, the chicken and waffles is ridiculous.
$15.95
or whatever it was.
That cheeseburger Benedict thing on the menu on the board was $16.
Yeah, that's true.
I mean, there was a lot of $16 items, and I'm like, what the hell? You're a freaking diner. Why are you $16 for a plate?
They're pretty expensive for a greasy spoon. Here's how I'll rate it. I will say they were better than our last few experiences at IHOP. They were way better than our last couple of experiences at Awful House.
Oh God, yeah.
They are at least 2 notches below First Watch.
I'm going to disagree. They're 100 notches below First Watch.
I said at least.
Yeah, no. I'm going to say 100
But we don't have 100 notches in our bedpost. It's got, it's just...
I think you're... I don't know about that.
I don't know about that. I'm getting my analogies confused.
All right, it's humid as balls out here. Let's get on with this damn hurricane situation. How much of your hurricane beer have you drank so far?
1/6.
Okay. Now I thought you bought 2 6-packs.
I did, and I drank 2 beers out of 2 6-packs.
Oh, okay. We've almost
so it would
gone...
be 2/12 or 1/6.
Okay. And we've eaten almost all the Oreos.
Yeah, the Oreos are probably more like
90%
100.
gone.
If there's 100 Oreos in there, we ate 90 of them.